Hello, the Gadget Man here, and today I've got this Syma X5A-1 quadcopter drone, and I'm going to be showing it to you, so let's get testing. So now we're going to look at this Syma X5A drone here. This is what comes in the box. You got your owner's manual or user manual, your controller, some spare blades, a little screwdriver to put the blade protection or bumpers on, your drone, 2 batteries, and a charging cable. I'm going to put it all together here and we'll get to testing. Okay, so we're getting ready to test it out here. I've got a little bit of wind coming from this direction right here, so we'll see how it does in I guess it's a 5-6 mile an hour wind. Go ahead and press the button here until the lights turn on the bottom. Hold it for about a second until they start flashing. Okay, press this switch up to turn it on. Press up and then down, and you're basically, that's power off. And any little bit there is turning it on, see? So it's like a throttle control. Now, it doesn't spring load. It's just basically like your gas pedal. You have to control your throttle with it, okay? So here's your tilt and pan and stuff. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start her up. Moving to the side turns her. Going to power it down a little. Yes. You've got throttle control on it. It doesn't have auto throttle control. Speed it up a little bit because it's falling. And the wind's fighting me a little bit. I'm going to bring her down. Closer to the ground level. Just controlling the throttle here. Okay, well there you have it. The little Syma X5A. It's a nice little drone. The takeaway in this is extremely light. I mean, it doesn't weigh anything. It's very fast. It's easy to control, but it has no manual like auto self leveling or hold or anything. It's all in the throttle. And as you can see, there's some wind out here. This thing has zero resistance to the wind. Even when it's calm and there's just a slight breeze, it just can't fight against the wind. It's fun. It really does a lot of things. I did a couple flips there, you know, and everything. So I had a lot of fun with it. It's got 2 batteries. It, you know, flies a little over 5 minutes on each battery and everything like that. But, you know, just it can't be used in the wind. So buy it. It's good, you know. I mean, for what it is, it's nice looking. It flies really fast. Has, you know, I like the one thing I do like about it is when I pull that thing down, buddy, it drops. And on some other drones, there's no real way to kill them like that. So if you get in trouble, you just can't stop the blades. This right here, when you pull that down, buddy, it stops the blades and it drops right then. So that's really good. You know, so as far as everything else, it works good. It's fun to play with. It just you're gonna have a really calm day. Otherwise, you're just going to sit and fight the wind and then drop it and have to go pick it up and bring it back because it just has zero wind resistance whatsoever. Anyways, that's it for the Gadget Man and this review. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, see you later.